Yo, what's up everybody, it's Rocky, and we're diving deep into the world of Windows 10. Whether you're rocking a fresh build, giving an old machine a new lease on life, or just curious about the process, this is your one-stop shop for a smooth, clean Windows 10 installation. We're breaking down every step from download to that satisfying welcome screen. Stick around because we're making sure you've got all the knowledge to nail this install like a pro. First things first, we're grabbing the right tools for the job. Head over to the official Microsoft website. No shady downloads here. They've got this handy tool called the Media Creation Tool. Don't worry about the techie name, it's basically your trusty sidekick for this whole process. Download it, run it, and let's move on to the next step. Now grab your trusty USB drive, the one you've probably got lying around with like 3 gigabytes of random files on it. Make sure it's got at least 8 gigs free because we're turning this bad boy into a bootable Windows drive. Plug it in, fire up that media creation tool we just downloaded and follow the on-screen prompts. It's going to format the drive and get it prepped for Windows 10 greatness. Okay, this part might sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's way easier than it seems. We're going into your PC's BIOS or boot menu. Don't sweat it, every PC has its own little key combo to get there. It's usually F2, F12, delete, or escape. You'll see it flash on your screen during startup. Once you're in, look for the boot order settings. We want to tell your PC to boot from that awesome USB drive we just prepped. Alright, with the USB drive set as our boot priority, save your BIOS settings and restart your PC. You should see the Windows 10 setup loading up. It's like the red carpet to a brand new operating system. Choose your language, time zone, keyboard layout, all the good stuff to personalize your experience, and then hit next, followed by install now. We're off to the races. Now if you've got a Windows 10 product key, here's where you enter it. But hey, no pressure. You can totally click on I don't have a product key and keep going. Just know that activating Windows down the line unlocks all the customization and personalization features. Here's where we get a little bit technical, but don't worry, I've got you. We're going for custom installation. This gives us full control over where Windows 10 lives on your hard drive. You can choose to install it on a fresh partition, wipe an old drive clean, or even dual boot. The power is in your hands. Alright, we've made it to the home stretch. Windows will now work its magic, copying files, installing drivers, and setting everything up just right. This is the perfect time to grab a snack, catch up on some notifications, or just marvel at the progress bar doing its thing. And boom! Just like that, you're greeted with the beautiful Windows 10 lock screen. Go ahead and set up your region and language preferences again, just to make sure everything's perfect. Connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you can either sign in with your Microsoft account, or create a local account. And there you have it, a brand new Windows 10 installation, all set up and ready to rock. You've officially conquered the world of operating systems, and trust me, it only gets easier from here. Now go explore your fresh system, download all your favorite apps, and enjoy the smooth, streamlined experience of Windows 10. Until next time, stay techie. That's it. Your Windows 10 installation is complete. Now you're ready to explore your new system.